Hi, I'm Ellie and I work at the Aveda Institute. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a super easy slick pony that you can use for an event. If you want to use it for a girls' night out, it's super quick. It should only take you about 5 minutes or so to do. It might take me a little bit longer because I'm going to be explaining it to you today. So this is Gabriella. I'm going to be doing her hair today. I'm going to start by just brushing it so that we get rid of any of the tangles in her hair. I'm going to be gentle with her. All right, perfect. And then I'm going to start bringing the hair back with my brush. So it takes me a minute to comb everything back. You can either do this look low if you want something like more sleek and elegant, or you can do it in the middle of your head or up high if you want something with a little more personality. So I'm gonna secure it with a thick hair tie to make sure that it doesn't move, that it's super secure. And this should be super easy to do at home. I'm not a hairdresser. I just work here at the Aveda Institute, and I'm able to do this look all the time on myself and my girlfriends. So perfect. So you'll see it placed kind of in the middle of her head. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to work to secure any of the frizziness that Gabriella may be experiencing and kind of refine the look of her ponytail. I'm gonna pull it, just give her a little oomph. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to use the Nutriplenish styling foam. It's going to help really hydrate the hair while also providing a hold and taming all of those frizzies. Okay, perfect. It's also gonna give the Nutriplenish styling foam is also gonna give you the wet look, which is really in style right now. Kind of gives an effortless look. I'm also gonna go in with my Confixer liquid gel to help tame all the frizzies. Perfect. I'm gonna put a little bit in her ponytail just to kind of give it a little bit of definition. And again, I'm gonna floof the pony. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a hard bristle brush, kind of something like this, to really define the hair and swoop it back. After you use the hard bristle brush, the hair kind of accumulates in the back. So what I'm gonna do is just rebrush the hair with my big paddle brush just to get all of that hair that accumulated as I was slicking. And then I'm gonna finish it off with Aveda's Air Control. This is an awesome hairspray. It's an aerosol hairspray that's gonna provide light to medium hold. I'm gonna spray it kind of all over her hair. It'll help, we're in Florida, so it'll help against humidity, frizz that'll naturally happen once you step outside here in Florida. All right, she looks perfect. So this is how you do a slick, sassy pony for a fun night out, or if you want to look extra sassy while you run your errands, this is a perfect look too. Like I said, it should only take you about 10 to 15 minutes, so super easy to do on yourself or your friends. So again, my name's Ellie. I'm at the Aveda Institute. Thanks so much for watching, and tune back in for more quick how-to videos for hairstyling.